Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about radishes, and I have a list of tips and ideas that are known to work well with radishes. So if you're wondering what to do with some radishes, you're looking for some tips for them, you're not used to dealing with them, hopefully this will help you out. The list is long, so it's been broken into two parts, and this is part one. I'll have a link to part two video below. Although we typically eat radishes raw, did you know that they can also be braised, roasted, sautéed, shaved into noodles, and even steamed? Try roasted radishes. The caramelization will make them sweeter. First, you remove the leaves and cut the bulbs in half or in slices, and then roast them at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes until they're caramelized. 10 to 14 radishes will yield about a cup and a half when sliced. Now, if radishes are kind of a little too strong flavored for you, cooking the radish will dull that spicy, pungent flavor, and it brings out more of an earthy, sweet flavor. So you might try that sometime. Why not enjoy some radishes along with some other fresh vegetables with your favorite dip? Try adding some thin radish slices to your favorite sandwich. Try topping a steak or a burger with grilled radish slices. You can pickle radishes just like you would pickle cucumbers. Try adding some chopped radishes to tacos for a little added zest. Try adding some sliced radishes to potato, tuna, or chicken salad. Add some grated radishes to your favorite slaw. Try making a spicy dip with some radishes in a food processor. Pulse together a half a cup of Greek yogurt, a fourth of a cup of chopped radishes, and 1 minced garlic clove in a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Process it until it's smooth and then enjoy. I do hope this helps. Stay tuned for part two. Bye for now.